This is the business end of the 165. 2 locking catches. Reveals a big opening for the size of machine. It really is quite a large in-feed opening with this really nice pivoting safety bar. You've got 2 rollers inside there, both hydraulically driven. The top roller is on a pivot, so you have some mechanical advantage as well as it's trying to pull material in. And with this wide in-feed chute, you can get some really brushy stuff through. The wide in-feed chute and the letterbox opening make it easier to get really nasty forked branches in there, and also reduces the time with a chainsaw snedding up branches, and also reduces the risk of a left leg injury with a chainsaw. You can just pick your brash up and chuck it in there. So that's the benefits behind the wider letterbox opening and the big opening here. The red safety bar controls the rollers. You just have to push the bar and it goes into the stop position. Restart using the buttons on the side. This new type of 3-piece bar is a really nice positive feel to it, and it will reduce the chances of a nuisance trip. EVO 165 has very simple, very robust controls, in-feed controls on both sides of the machine. Once you've started the engine and you're ready to go, the yellow button is the throttle, so press up to rev up to high speed, press again to settle down at idle. Green is for go, for in-feed. Blue is a momentary switch for reverse. Press and hold, it will reverse the rollers. Take your finger off and they go to stop. When you're ready to work again, simply press the green button and away you go. The RDS box, which is common on the current range of green mech wood chippers. It's the information centre and controls certain functions of the machine. For example, once you have turned on the machine using the ignition key, this is the screen you will see. It's telling you the engine is going through a preheat mode, and it's checking through the circuits to make sure that all is functioning correctly. Once the icon drops to the bottom position, as in this screen, the machine is ready to start. So press and hold the start button until the engine has fired, then release the button. If you fail to hold the start button for long enough until the engine catches, you will need to turn off the ignition key and start the process again. Once the engine starts, you will see this screen, which is essentially the speed of the rotor. You can select other icons relating to machine data by pressing the button at the far left of the screen. There are 6 data point icons on the RDS screen, from left to right. First left advises of any engine malfunction, such as low oil pressure. Second reports any malfunction to the chipper system. If you've got 4 dashes in there, there is nothing wrong with the engine or the wood chipper. Third is the rotor, chipper, flywheel speed. Fourth confirms feed roller rotation and or diagnostics. Fifth is daily operating hours, and 6 is the total machine life operating hours. The buttons at the bottom of the RDS screen are as follows. First left is the icon selector. Second is the main start button, push and hold until the engine fires, then release. Third button is a redundant switch on this model. Fourth is the engine stop button. Fifth on the right is for technical setup access for factory and technical personnel only.